Butch, how do we do next?
Whiskey in the jar.
Not that
Fugli's got to leave for a moment.
Come back.
It is a good one, but you get to participate again.
one. Yes, we need your help on this one.
Alright, so we sing the chorus, Sugar-ma-digger-ma-da, and then you have to clap
Oh, we're really not.
4 times. Huh?
You didn't really mean it, did you?
He wants to hear it, so we're going to do it. This is
We can do another one.
everybody
This
gets
is
to
all
request
request show.
their
He has
song.
requested it.
We're doing it. Alright, so you clap 4 times, only clap like this. And then we sing Whack for the Daddy-O, we clap 2 more times. And then,
Whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar.
yes. And so you just do some claps on the tambourine. Yeah, you'll need your hands free.
I was going over the far Kerry Mountains. I met with Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced me pistols and then produced me raging, saying, stand and deliver, for I am your for receiver. Well, so rig-a-ma-dig-a-ma-dum. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I counted out his money and it made a pretty penny. I put it in my pocket and I took it home to Jenny. She sighed and she swore that she never would deceive me. But the devil take the women, for they always lie so easy. Well, she'll rig-a-ma-dig-a-ma-dum. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I went into me chamber, all for to take a slumber. I dreamt of golden jewels, and for sure it was no wonder. The tree took me pistol, and she filled it up with water. Then she called on Captain Farrell to be ready for the slaughter. Well, she'll rig-a-ma-dig-a-ma-dum. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Early next morning, just before I rose for travel, I spied a band of footmen and likewise Captain Farrell. I then produced me pistol, for she'd stolen away the radio. But I couldn't shoot the water, so a prisoner I was taken. Well, she'll rig-a-ma-dig-a-ma-dum. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. If anyone can aid me, it's my brother in the army. I'm sure that he is stationed in Port or in Killarney. And if he'll go with me, we'll go roaming through Kilkenny. I'm sure he'll treat me better than my darling sporting Jenny. Well, she'll rig-a-ma-dig-a-ma-dum. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Well, she'll